subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
HTC has silently introduced its new affordable smartphone in Africa called HTC Wildfire E3 Lite. Now let's see the specifications of the smartphone. The HTC Wildfire E3 Lite features a 6.51-inch HD Plus display with 20:9 aspect ratio, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries a 5-megapixel selfie shooter with f2.0 aperture. The rear panel of the phone houses a dual camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that houses a 13-megapixel main camera with f2.2 aperture along with a 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the HTC Wildfire E3 Lite comes powered by Uni-SoC SE9863A chipset, paired with 3 or 4GB of RAM and 32 or 64GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 256GB via microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 out of the box, and it is equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery with 10W charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.8 by 76.5 by 9.2mm, and it weighs around 218 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. Unfortunately, the company is yet to announce the pricing details of the smartphone, but we can expect it to be priced around 1900 South African rands, and it will be available in black and blue color options. So what do you guys think of this HTC Wildfire E3 Lite smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.